On game day, we have a lot of extra visitors on campus. Many thousands more come here that are not here on a normal day. So there's a lot of people walking around, a lot of pedestrian traffic. So today on game day, Virginia Tech Emergency Management is supporting all public safety operations by flying our drone. We're able to stream video in real time back to the command post. The focus is on the hours leading up to the game, actually. We're monitoring the gates and approaches so that the folks in the command center they need to make changes or shifts in personnel or to identify any problems early. That's what our job is, to try to provide that real world intelligence. The advantage the drone gives us is it's movable. We can change positions and get a better view, and in real time do that. If there is an emergency, such as a fire in a tailgating area, we can take a look at it in real time, give the commanders a live view. They then can adjust the response, either respond more apparatus that they might need or less. If we can do less and still take care of the emergency, we can possibly put less of the public at risk. It truly does give you the big picture of what's happening. One of the benefits we had from last year when we were flying at the games is we were able to adjust how the gates were run, and we could adjust manpower and setups to alleviate some of the problems that we may have had earlier in the season last year, and it definitely improved as you went through the season. This improves the fan experience. This is what we want. We want the fans to have a good time while they're coming here.